morning, students for class 3. How are you? Today I am going to teach you a new story from your literature book. The title of the story is Tenali Rama and the Thieves. Okay, Tenali Rama and the Thieves is the title of this story. Tenali Rama was a wise minister in the court of kingdom, in the court of King Krishdev Rai. Okay, Krishdev Rai was a famous king of the kingdom Vijayanagar. Okay, the king was very fond of him. The king was very fond of him. The king loved him very much. Why? For this, to know the answer of this question, why? Let us read the story. Okay, the chief of the police of Vijayanagar was worried. A gang of thieves had entered the city and a number of thefts had already taken place. Taken place means happened. Okay? The chief of the police was worried. Why was the chief of the police worried? He was worried because a gang of thieves was active in the city. Because a gang of thieves had entered the city and a number of thefts means crime, means stealing, had already taken place. Taken place means happened. Okay, the police had not been able to catch the culprits. Culprits means thieves here. Culprits means thieves who did crime in the city. The police had not been able to catch the thieves. The thieves were not caught. That was why the chief of the police was worried. Why the chief of the police was worried? The chief of the police was worried because a gang of thieves had entered the city and the thefts had taken place. A number of thefts means many. अनेक चोरी की अनेक घटनाओं का अंजाम दे चुका था. A number of thefts had been taken place in the city, but they were not caught. The thieves were not caught. That was why the chief of the police was upset. The king was also upset. The king was also upset. The king of Vijayanagar, Krishdev Rai, was also upset. He was also worried because his police failed to catch the thief. Because his police failed to catch the thieves. That was why the king was also worried. King Krishdev Rai was also worried. The chief of the police decided to seek help, to seek Tenali's help. To seek means to search, to find. The chief of the police decided to get Tenali's help. Why? Because he had helped him in the past with such cases. Because Tenali Ram had helped him in the past. Because Tenali Ram had helped the chief of the police in the past with such cases. That was why he decided to take help from Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama readily agreed to help him. Tenali Rama at once Tenali Rama accepted their proposal. He was agreed to help him. He was agreed to help the chief of the police. Tenali asked his wife to spread rumors about some money that he had received from his wealthy relatives. Rumor, listen, rumor, rumor. Rumor means false news, false news, false story. Tenali Rama told his wife to spread the rumor that he had received a lot of wealth, a lot of money from some wealthy relatives. Soon the whole story, soon the whole city was talking about their riches. Means the news was spread that he had received a lot of money from some wealthy relatives. Wealthy means rich, sampan. This news was spread in the city. Everyone was talking about their riches. The riches means wealth. Listen it. Riches. Riches. Riches means wealth. Sampati, daulat. Hmm. The whole city was talking about their riches. Everyone in the city was talking about his riches, his wealth, his money that he had received from the relatives. That he had received from their relatives. The thieves heard this news too. The thieves also received this news. Their leader, the leader of the thieves, said, "Let us keep a watch on this man." He told the leader, the chief of the thieves, told his men to keep a watch on Tenai Rama. One of the thieves, one of them, took up a job at Tenali's house as a servant so that he could spy on them. He could spy on them. Spy means to keep a watch, jasusi karna. One of the thieves was able to receive a job of servant at Tenali Rama's house. Okay? Tenali at once knew that man. Tenali understood that the man was a thief, but he pretended not to knowing anything about him. Tenali now pretended that he did not know anything about the man who had come to him for a job. Job means service. Okay? Pretend pretend means acted in a way so that to trick a person. Means Tenali Rama acted in a way so as to trick the thief, the servant. That night, Tenali said to his wife, Tenali told his wife, "We have to keep our money safe." He told his wife that they had to keep their money safe. A gang of thieves was active in the city. A gang of thieves was active in the city. They had they had um, stolen from many houses. A number of thefts had already taken place in the city. So they had to keep their money safe. Means Sayam told his wife, "We have to keep our money safe." The thief was a gang of thief was active in the city. A gang of thief was active in the city. Active means सक्रिय. अपनी पत्नी से कहा कि भाई अपने पैसे को सुरक्षित रखना है, कहीं रख दो, क्योंकि चोरों का दल शहर में सक्रिय है। और उसने चोरी की कई घटनाओं को अंजाम दे चुका है। I have heard that there is a gang of thieves in the city. Let's drop the box. Let's drop the box of money into the well. Into the well. It will be safe underwater there. Then Iram told his wife to keep the box of money underwater in the well. The thief was spying them. He was hearing everything. He was hearing the conversation between wife and husband, both of them. Then Iram and his wife also knew that the thief was as a servant at his house, pretending to be a servant, was listening to their conversation. They also knew that their conversation was listening by the thieves. Their conversation was being listened to by the thief. Later that night, Tanali and his wife the dragged a big wooden box with a huge load. Dragged means pulled, खींचा, घसीट कर ले गया. They lifted the box and dropped it into the well. Then Iram and his wife lifted the box and dropped it into the well. Then they went back to their house. Okay. Today's class is over. The remaining part of the story will taught you next day. Thank you.